In this video today, we'll learn about the wrong use of the article. We already know how to use the articles. We know when to use a, we know when to use an, we know when to use the. But in spite of that, we sometimes make the mistake of not using them. So how to use them and when not to use them. Let's take a look at that. Indian speakers have the habit of skipping it because in Hindi and in most Indian languages, we do not use any article before nouns. But rules of English grammar demand that we must use an article before all singular nouns like this. This is something we need to remember all the time, and it's like a biblical canon. We must use an article before singular countable nouns. So here is what you should not say. You cannot say give me pencil because the word pencil is a singular noun, and before that we singular countable noun, and before that we must use an article the. Eat apple every day. You cannot say eat apple every day. You must say eat an apple every day. He wants to go to bathroom. Is wrong. My father is buying me a computer. Can you pass me the glass? Sorry, can you pass me glass, please? This is what most people do, but this is what you should do. Give me a or the pencil, depending on whether you want a particular pencil or any pencil in a bunch. And here the second sentence, it an equilibrium. Just now we had a talk about that. He wants to go to the bathroom. My father is buying me a computer. Can you pass me the glass, please? We cannot skip these articles before the singular nouns. This is the rule that you must remember. An article or determiner before a singular noun must be used. And if you want to skip the articles, then you can do one thing. You can pluralize the nouns, just like this. Apples keep us healthy. Instead of saying an apple is a healthy food, an apple can keep us healthy, you can say apples keep us healthy. So what have I done here? We have removed the n, and after removing the n, we have to add an s. Apples keep us healthy. Siberian tiger is almost extinct. Instead of saying that, we can say the Siberian tiger is almost endangered. Sorry. So here what have we done? In this sentence we are using the plural form, so we have skipped the, and here since we are using the singular form of the tiger, Siberian tiger, we are using the. Similarly, in the next sentence, smartphones are versatile gadgets. Instead of saying that, we can say the smartphone is a versatile gadget. Here we are using the before smartphone, and since we have skipped the in this sentence, we have pluralized the noun phones. Thank you.